Hi YouTubers, welcome back to Gateway Cycles. This is Roger with you again. Wanted to shoot you a quick video of the KLR650. Kawasaki is no longer making this machine. They stopped production this last year. Been in production since 1987. Sad to see it go. Big single-cylinder thumper adventure bike. This thing has got a cult following. I'm sure it's going to be missed worldwide. Give you a quick walk around here. What a great machine. Hopefully Kawasaki will announce a replacement for it here soon. Give you a shot of the dash here. And we put an exhaust on this one, so I'm going to fire it up and let you guys take a quick listen to it. And that exhaust really livens it up. This is a torque monster, guys. Hate to see it go. And there's our eulogy for the KLR650. Guys, come on down here to beautiful Mount Sterling and check us out here at Gateway Cycles. Or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That'll help us get more videos out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.